Just the smell of coffee wakes you up. It's the daily ritual, a meet and greet every morning before the workday ramps up to its peak. And this is how these two friends met.
You hear about this?
Hear about what?
Telemarketing. It's changing, becoming more affordable and way more technological.
Really? I mean, it pays the bills. But yeah, I've been kind of worried about the future.
Another cup is poured, and the conversation goes deeper. One of them is subscribed to daily emails.
I was reading something. Jobs that will disappear by 2025. Telemarketing is on the list.
Huh, no way, but makes sense.
Could this be it?
Why not follow the trend? Remember what I said? Telemarketing is going AI. These bots are using scripts I used to write, and they don't sleep.
Wow, I've been losing sleep over my job's future too.
So let me ask you something. How do we learn AI?
If you're like these two friends, making a career change isn't just a decision. It's your life, your family, your future.
Starting a business sounds good, but it's expensive. And I don't know where to begin.
You don't have to quit your job yet. Start small, learn, save, grow. Because yeah, you do have to spend a little to earn a lot more.
Learning AI doesn't have to be complicated. That's why we recommend Coursera. It's an online learning platform you can access right now on your phone or laptop. And guess what? It's free to start. But here's the thing. If you want validation, the kind that lands you serious job offers, you'll eventually want to get certified. Yes, there's a small cost for that, but the ROI, massive. You'll also learn how to use ChatGPT with prompts. That's the secret sauce. That's how businesses grow and how you get ahead, whether you're launching your own brand or working for one. So, are you ready? Smash that subscribe button to join us here at Mint AI, your hub for learning, growing, and getting paid to master the future. And don't forget to click the links in the description or on this page to start your AI journey today.